For the last several days, Uttar Pradesh has been a hot topic of discussion in the entire country, because this time BJP has suffered the most losses in Uttar Pradesh, and many people are saying that Prime Minister Modi may be angry with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, because this time BJP could not perform well there. But in today's meeting, a picture is being discussed a lot, in which Prime Minister Modi has patted the back of Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and praised him. In a way, if you look at this picture, then this picture has become a topic of discussion, and it was being said that Prime Minister Modi may be angry or unhappy with Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Now we cannot say what these pictures mean. Among the more than 300 leaders present in the Central Hall, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath may have been the only leader whose back Prime Minister Modi patted while accepting his congratulations, and after this Yogi Adityanath also congratulated Prime Minister Modi for his third term. He also wrote a post on social media, and his well-wishers must be thinking that the pictures must have made it clear that the double engine is still fully intact in Uttar Pradesh. The strength of the double engine remains intact. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who has proved useful for the BJP in Uttar Pradesh so far, could not win many seats for the BJP this time, and if the BJP had won 62 seats in Uttar Pradesh, the same number as last time, it would not have lost 29 seats, and the BJP would have come very close to the majority figure on its own. But the defeat in Uttar Pradesh gave rise to many speculations, among which there was also a rumor that after this defeat, Prime Minister Modi may take a big decision regarding Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, or the party will take a big decision. But the way Prime Minister Modi patted the Chief Minister's back today, it may have clarified the situation a bit, but one thing is certain, that the performance of BJP in Uttar Pradesh will definitely be post-mortemed. Right now everyone is busy with how to form the government as quickly as possible, how to bring the NDA together as quickly as possible, reach a majority, and then form the government. But after that the senior leaders of the party will definitely sit together and the results of Uttar Pradesh will be analyzed, and then it will be seen whose mistake it was, whether it was Yogi Adityanath's mistake, or whether this mistake happened somewhere else. Its discussion and analysis is sure to happen. And on that day, it will be known what decision the top leadership of BJP takes regarding Uttar Pradesh. Keep watching with us in future too. We will keep bringing good and important topics for you. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel.